Good morning, everybody. So, we live in a world where the things keep on changing. See, we live in a modern times, the time where the things often get changed. There are many things. You see, the phone we use, there is a new modern, new version just after 1 or 2 months. Or there is a often change in many things. So, this world is about making changes every time. There is a beautiful poem in your book that we are going to read that is about its change, and it's written by Emma Gowri. So, let us read this poem. Let's start the poem now. Mom, I don't want to go to school today because I fear our world is in decay. Here, have a look to the word cause. You can see there is an apostrophe mark and then cause, CAUSE. So it is written in short way cause, but actually it is because I fear our world is in decay. So this story is about a conversation between a mom and her daughter. So as you can see that the girl says that she doesn't want to go to school, and she gives different reasons for it. What is the first one here? Because I fear our world is in decay. She feels that our world is not safe now. It is in decay. Decay means destruction or damage. It means our world is damaging now. Our world is destructing now. So the girl doesn't want to go to school because she fears that our world is in decay, is in destruction, is in danger. So you can express this in any way. Coming to the next line, I feel my teachers are part of the plot. I am the only one who sees through the rot. I feel my teachers are part of the plot. I am the only one who sees through the rot. Now, here you see, plot means secret planning. Plot means secret planning. So, the girl feels that the teachers are the part of the plot. It means teachers are the part of the planners. It means they are planning secretly. They are planning, the teachers are planning secretly. And the girl is the only one who sees through the rot. Now, here, what is the meaning of rot? Rot means the situation is getting worse. Rot means something which is the condition of something which is not good at all, which is very what do I say, which is the worst condition of something. So when the things are becoming bad, that situation is called rot. It means this is the only girl who can see the bad condition which is going on around. Coming to the next line, have a look here. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change, a quantum leap. Here you see scientists are cloning pigs and sheep. What is the meaning of cloning? Clone means producing an exact copy of anything. It can be animal, it can be a person. I mean same to same product. Making same to same product is called cloning. Producing an exact copy of, here as it is written, pigs and animals. So that's why you can write exact copy of an animal. Now, in the next line, as you can see that saying it's change, a quantum leap. What is the meaning of quantum leap? Quantum leap means a sudden, great, and important change. Now, if there is any unexpected change, and that change is very important, then you can call it as quantum leap. Quantum leap means, once again I am repeating, a sudden, great, and important change. So the girl is saying that scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, and they are saying that it is a quantum leap. It means this changing into clones are quantum leaps. It means these are the great importance things to be done. These are of great importance. Now, Coming to the next line, these are actually according to the girl is saying what others are doing and what are the giving reasons for that. Next line says that biologists are making stem cell grow, saying it's change the way to go. Now stem cell, it means it is a basic type of cell from which all other cells develop. Okay, so the basic cell from one cell, when the other cells get developed, so that cell is called as stem cell. So biologists are making stem cells to grow and saying that they are saying, the biologists are saying that it is change, this is the way to go. It means this is the way we can improve, we can have growth in plants. So they are giving different reasons for their work according to the girl. Now the other line says that geologists are finding cracks in our earth, saying its change, predicting its birth. Now here you see geologists are finding cracks in our earth. You already know that geologists, their work is to related to earth. So they are finding cracks in our earth and they say that it's change, it is the prediction of its birth. It means you already know that to know about something, people do many research, scientists do many researches. So what the girl is saying, that if we want to know about our earth, we need to dig it, we need to make holes, make cracks in our earth, and from that we can come to know about the history of earth. This is said by the geologist. That's why they are making cracks in our earth, and so that they can give some prediction means saying something about future. Okay, predicting its birth. Now predicting means here saying something about the future. So whenever we say something about the future, any kind of guessing, that is called prediction. So geologists are going to make prediction of our earth, of the birth, about the earth. So the girl is saying that geologists are finding cracks in our earth, saying its change, predicting its birth. Whose birth? The birth of our earth. Okay. Now next line, archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's change, time for clones. Now archaeologists, what are they doing? They are digging up fossils and bones. Now what is the meaning of fossil? The remain of an animal or a plant which have become hard and turned into rock. It means you can say that the plants or the animals, when they die and their dead decaying parts, so those remaining parts of those animals and plants, they are known as fossils. Now the archaeologists are digging up the fossils and bones, because when people die, when plants die, animals die, what happens after a long time, the remaining part of their body or whatever is the remain thing that goes inside the earth. So archaeologists are digging up those fossils and bones and they are saying that it's change, time for clones. It means if they want to make something like that which was there in the previous time, so they need to go through those fossils and bones so that they can make clones. They will get idea how can we make exact copy of the previous thing. And now the girl says that they're making all these changes and saying that it's change, it is for good, it is for something better. So the last two lines says that yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn. Now, the girl's problem is that whatever scientist, biologist, geologist, and archaeologist they do it for a cause, but they are giving trouble to the small kids, they are giving trouble to the children, because whatever they do, they need to read in the books. If it is about history, if it is about biology, if it is about science, whatever it is, the things are recorded in the book. Now when you read the different subjects, you read about some particular matter. I mean, if you are reading geography, you read about earth, the history, the birth of it. So the you can see that geologists have found out all those things what you read actually in the book. So the girl is saying that because of these people, they are causing me great concern and giving me too much to learn. So the girl doesn't want to learn so many things. She says that scientists are doing their work, but along with that, they're troubling us too. They're troubling the kids too. Because whatever they do, it comes in the book and the children needs to study, but whatever they are doing according to the girl is not correct. And whatever she says about the different people here, about the different changes here, according to her all those changes are not necessary, or they are making excuse for making these changes. So why does she say like this? In in a simple way we can understand this, that the girl is actually making an excuse so that she doesn't have to go to school. Actually the girl doesn't want to go to school, and for that she is blaming the all other professions, the scientist, the biologist, the geologist. She says that they are making changes, they are saying that these changes are for the betterment, but actually this is a trouble for us, because she has to go to school, she has to learn many things, but she makes excuses so that she doesn't have to go to school. The main reason is to say about all these people, so that she can make her mom understand that no, these are not necessary to learn, and my daughter should not go to school. But the ending is not mentioned about her mother's opinion. You already know what mothers would say. If you make such type of excuses, what answer you are going to get from your mom? Let's try once and let me know in some other classes what your mother says about your opinion. She will have some answer definitely to all your questions, to all your queries. Now, let's see some bit parts which is there in the book. Okay, here there are some pair of words, so let us see that. So as you can see that there are some words in part A. The words are plot, sheep, grow, earth, bones and concern. What are the words in part B? Let's have a look. Go, rot, leap, birth, learn and clones. Now the other side you can see correct pair of words. Here the first one is done. Plot is matched with rot, as these two are the rhyming words plot and rot. So these are written on the other side, plot, rot, and there are two new more rhyming words that has been added. So plot, rot, cot and lot. In the same way you have to just match the other one, sheep. You just have to check from part B which word is rhyming with this word. Then again grow, there will be some rhyming word in part B. Earth, bones and concern. All these answer you will get in part B, but you will get only one answer. But the two more words will be added along with these answers. So there will be total 3 rhyming words. One you will get from part B, and two more actually you have to write of your own. So let's check these answers. So as the first one is already done, plot, rot, cot, lot. Second one is sheep, leap. You have to make another two more words. You can make any word of your own like heap, HEAP, and there will be many more. You have to write it of your own. Third one is grow, matching with go. Grow, go, slow, SLOW, slow can also be. One word I am helping you, but you have to help yourself and you have to write one more of your own. It means there will be total 3 rhyming words. Two, actually one answer is given, one I am helping and one you have to manage. It means you will write 3 rhyming words. Coming to the next one. earth, birth. So birth, birth, one more birth can be written, that is berth, birth. So and you have to write few more. If it is not necessary that only three, you can write more rhyming words also if you can. So coming to the next, bones, clones, bones, clones. And one more you can write as groans, moans, there can be many. And the last one is concern, and the answer is learn. Concern, learn, and you can add other words which will rhyme with these words, concern, learn, and you can also write burn, 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 which rhymes with these two words, concern, learn, burn, burn, burn. And now your work is to write some more words, to add some more words along with this. There are already one word given, so one word for each is given, you have to add some more. Now it's time to do revision of the word meaning ones, the glossary part, which I have already explained while teaching this poem. But let's have a revision. Let's read it once again so that you can keep these words in your mind. The first word is here, plot, P-L-O-T, plot. You can see the meaning is a secret planning made to do something wrong. So whenever we plan to do something wrong, and in order to go according to the plan, we make some secret plannings, that is called plot. The other one is see through. See through means here understand. You just see through this, it means you just try to understand this. So this is a phrasal verb, see through. This is a phrasal verb which means understand. The next one is the rot. Here actually the rot means the situation is getting worse. In this poem, actually rot means also you can say things which have been spoiled. Like in case of fruits we say rotten fruits. Rot means which have been spoiled or damaged. So here it is about the situation which is getting worse. Okay. Now the next one is cloning. I already said that producing an exact copy of an animal. Here animal, but cloning means making exact copy of something, same to same. Okay. Now the next one is quantum leap. Quantum leap means a sudden, great and important change. Now when there is an important change suddenly in something, then we call it as a quantum leap. Suddenly any important change is called as quantum leap. The next one is a stem cell. Stem cell is a basic type of cell from which all other cells develop. Now basic cell, as you can understand, the basic cell means the foundation or the main cell, from that the other cells grow. Develop means here grow. The cell from which the other cells grow, that cell is called stem cell. Okay. And next one is fossil. Fossil means the remains of an animal or a plant which have become hard and turned into rock. As I said that dead decaying matters also you can say the remains of an animal or plant which have become hard and turned into rock. It means the dead parts or the spoiled part of any plant or animal is called fossil. And the last one is concern. You already know about concern. Concern means worry. Worry, when we feel worry about others, we feel it means we are concerned towards that thing. So concern or worry are the synonym words, or you can say the meaning of concern is worry. So these were the glossary part, but you must go through this glossary part and keep all these words and their meanings in your mind. Now let us read this poem, It's Change, written by Emma Gorey. So let us just read out this poem. Mom, I don't want to go to school today because I fear our world is in decay. I feel my teachers are part of the plot. I am the only one who sees through the rot. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change, a quantum leap. Biologists are making stem cells grow, saying it's change, the way to go. Geologists are finding cracks in our earth, saying it's change, predicting its birth. Archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's change, time for clones. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn. So, this was the poem, It's Change, and it's your time to go through this poem so that you can by heart this such a beautiful poem. This is the reading B, It's Change, and we have already finished the previous all the lessons. I mean, unit 1, reading A, reading B, C, and this is from unit 2. Unit 2, what was the reading A? C.V. Raman, The Pride of India, and this is reading B, It's Change. In my next class, I am going to teach you reading C. So just be ready for that. So your work is to do revision of everything what you read. You do your work, keep working hard, do revision of everything what you have learned, and have a good day. Thank you.